Excalibur Dashboard is the web-based management portal that every user is able to log in using his mobile phone. The authentication user experience is always the same. Just scan the QR code, provide the requested authentication factors, and you are in. By default, you are logged in just as an user and can see just your own sessions. If you have different roles assigned, you can switch between them using the interface. As the administrator, you see all the users of the system and their activity. You can search, for example, using the username just to see the details of that given user. Let's select this user and see what computers he used, at what time. You can directly log or log out his active sessions, or you can inspect his activity in a graphical way using the timeline, or you can see all the security incidents triggered by this user.